Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints, and we just wrapped up DipCon 2018. My sunburn is already starting to come to life. We had an absolute blast today. If you don't know, DipCon is the Dip Your Car removable coatings convention, and basically it's like a dipper's paradise. All the dippers from all around the world come down to South Florida and we all hang out, check out each other's cars, check out the new products, meet the installers, meet the vendors. I get to meet a lot of you guys. It's one of my favorite days of the year. So we put together a video so you guys can check it out. I hope you enjoy, and please, I hope to see you next year at DipCon 2019.